Hello guys and welcome to Login Aid. So today in this video we will learn how to add avatar on Instagram story. Creating avatar has now become like trend, you can create avatar and upload it on your Instagram and likewise on Snapchat. But if you guys do not know how to do it, then stay with me till the end of this video. So it's a very simple process. All you need to do is first of all open up your Instagram application. Now tap on this add button at the bottom. Now just take a picture, a random picture on your Instagram, and then after you do this, you can also see find your avatar stickers. So all you need to do is tap on it, and here you can see avatar. Tap on it, and now tap on create avatar. Now if you have already set up your avatar, then you will have options here, but we are first time setting it up, so select your tone right here and tap on this next button. Now here select a hairstyle according to your preference. How would you prefer? And once you select the hairstyle, again tap on next button. After you select the hairstyle, select a hair color. So you can do it as your preference, whichever color that you like. Once you select it, tap on next button again. Now from here, select a face shape like narrow, medium or wide. If you want to select narrow, then you can see here this narrow button right here. Tap on it. And if you want to select wide, then you can see this wide button right here. Tap on it. I will be going with medium. Now tap on next button. You can select any outfit given here, which outfit you find comfortable or you find pretty, whichever outfit. Select one of them. Now tap on done. Once you do this, you can see a notification popping on. Click on save change. Now you can see here your avatar is being updated. Now tap on next button. Now you can see here our avatar that we have created according to our preference. So all of them are how we have chosen. All the details you can see here. So let me select this one right here and let me also put on a text that says done. Tap on this done button right up in here. Once you find your created avatar ready to go to your story, then tap on this your story button at the left bottom and it will be added. So this is the wrap up for this video guys. A very easy and simple process. I really hope that the video was helpful for you all and you guys liked the video. If you guys found the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.